Well, so we believe in the transformative power of automation here at Columbia Okura. And when I think about that transformative power and robotics, I start thinking about not only our customers who really transform their business in terms of productivity and safety, quality, but also the people that are working in and around the automation. So we think about our customers' employees that work around the products. Their lives are really transformed because they're learning new skills on how to operate really high-tech equipment and be better and more productive with the automation. And they're really learning how to really run it efficiently in the factory. And then a consequence of that, their lives are transformed because they're providing income for their families. And then if we think about our customers, they're realizing higher productivity and can be competitive in their marketplaces. For Columbia Okura, automation really helps us transform other people's businesses, but it transforms our business as well. And in terms of our ability to identify and kind of simplify and then deploy leading edge technology to customers that typically wouldn't be able to access that technology in their facilities without the help of our experts. And then for our employees, our engineers, our manufacturing technicians, they get the chance to work on kind of the newest technologies and to be able to deploy that out in the field. Not only are we bringing new technology, but that technology is allowing us to have kind of local high-tech jobs, and then also the companies can be more competitive, and so all the products we buy every day are cheaper as a result of deploying the new technology.